So this red cardinal keeps coming back and tapping on my mirror. Not sure.
Hops on top, hops down, pets. Hops on top, hops down, pets.
Mm-hmm. I got it.
See, it's looking at itself like, go down. And then look at
Can't
itself.
break through the illusion.
Interesting.
You dude.
He's thinking it over and over and over.
It's like a repetitive, like somebody beating their head against
Bricking
the
gets a brick wall
wall.
over and over again. And
Yeah.
dog with a
Knocking
bone.
on heaven's door. Oop. Keep on knocking, but you can't come in.
Right?
What are there? Oh, he just dropped down to the grass. That's the first time.
That's
he's
the
went down
first
there.
time he's went down to ground.
Ah.
The male bird is back. He's been at my car all day, but now my car's in a different spot, and my window's down, and he. Okay, a male cardinal just entered my car. Who's a cardinal sign, Becky? I am. I'm a Libra. Who else is out there a cardinal sign? Something about this. Oh, Alexis, what do you see, honey?
I don't see it.
There. Oh my goodness!
Oh, it just hopped
What are you?
as a neon orange head.
It's
Energy's coming through. I see that.
Is open.
Hello, energy.
My eyes twitching.
Oh, he's got
make
a
it
black.
happen.
He reminds me of a short-dressed man. Oh, he agreed. Do you see his mouth
Yes.
open? Something about that. A black body with an orange head.
And then white on its.
Yeah,
on
just
its
Google
tail, and black tip.
here.
Oh, he is gorgeous. I want that dragon. Hello, dragon. Love that.
It's yeah. Does this say pet?
Pete.
Pete.
Yep, it is a sign.
I'm taking a picture.
I seen a rabbit when I was walking the cat around this circle.